Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is new marketing code for pharma industry. Recently, the government notified a uniform code for pharmaceutical marketing practices. It prohibits companies from organizing workshops abroad for healthcare professionals or offering them hotel stay, expensive cuisine, or monetary grants in a bid to control unethical practices in the pharma industry. According to the Uniform Code for Pharmaceutical Marketing Practices, companies are now permitted to organize medical education workshops and provide research grants to healthcare professionals, but with strict transparency measures in place. The Union government's latest directives aim to prevent unethical practices within the pharmaceutical industry that could influence healthcare professionals. These guidelines require that any conferences, seminars, or workshops be conducted transparently with detailed guidelines in place. Companies are prohibited from holding continued medical education workshops abroad and must disclose workshop details and expenses on their websites, subject to potential audits. Organizers must transparently select participants and speakers, ensuring compliance with tax regulations. Additionally, if firms support research, healthcare professionals involved must be engaged as consultants or advisors, with payments subject to tax provisions. While some restrictions remain from the previous version of the code, such as bans on providing gifts to healthcare workers and their families, new measures include the establishment of ethics committees for pharmaceutical marketing practices by all associations and the extension of complaint deadlines from 3 to 6 months. The updated guidelines also encompass medical device manufacturers, ensuring compliance across the industry. Now it's the time to test your knowledge. The question is, what is the maximum duration for lodging a complaint under the updated guidelines? 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, or no time limit? Send answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.